Welcome to another episode of The More You Know, where we explore fascinating topics to help you learn something new today. In this episode, we'll be discussing the first atomic bomb and its effects on the world, especially on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, and the efforts of other countries to build an atomic bomb during that time. The first atomic bomb, nicknamed Little Boy, was dropped on the city of Hiroshima on August 6, 1945, during World War II. It was a gun assembly bomb and was deployed by a B-29 bomber named the Enola Gay. The bomb exploded at an altitude of 580 meters, 1,900 feet, above the city, with a TNT equivalent of 15,000 tons. An estimated 140,000 people were killed by the end of 1945 due to the bombing. J. Robert Oppenheimer, often called the father of the atomic bomb, was the director of the Manhattan Project's Los Alamos laboratory during World War II. His leadership and scientific expertise were instrumental in the project's success. During World War II, the United States, Britain, Germany, and the Soviet Union were all engaged in scientific research to develop the atomic bomb. Germany had made significant progress in the development of jet fighters, cruise missiles, and ballistic missiles, leading to concerns that they could also develop an atomic bomb. Japan conducted some research into nuclear energy but made comparatively little progress due to the war and limited resources. The Soviet Union was also working on developing an atomic bomb, but their efforts were not as advanced as those of the United States. The most immediate effect of a nuclear explosion is an intense burst of nuclear radiation, primarily gamma rays and neutrons. The detonation of an atomic bomb releases enormous amounts of thermal energy, creating a large fireball and reaching temperatures of several million degrees. The atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki killed and maimed hundreds of thousands of people, and their effects are still being felt today. 5 to 6 years after the bombings, the incidence of leukemia increased noticeably among survivors. Survivors began suffering from thyroid, breast, and other cancers in the years that followed. The first atomic bomb and its effects on the world, especially on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, have left a lasting impact on history. The devastating consequences of these bombings serve as a reminder of the immense power and destructive potential of nuclear weapons. We must continue to learn from these events and strive for a more peaceful world. Thank you for joining us on this episode of The More You Know. If you found this information interesting and valuable, please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd also love to hear your feedback in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.